Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play street basketball step by step. Start by choosing a hoop, warming up with dynamic stretches, and checking the court surface for safety. Practice stationary dribbling with both hands, then add movement and head-up vision. Focus on low dribbles in traffic and quick change of pace to beat defenders. Keep sessions short and focused so you build skills without burning out. Work on dribble fundamentals with consistent repetitions and purposeful drills to improve control and speed. Start with stationary low dribbles for 30 seconds each hand, then move into zigzag cone drills to practice changing direction. Add a defender to simulate street play and force decisions under pressure. Mix in ball protection techniques and quick pocket pulls to keep possession while scouting open passing or driving lanes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab the Little Trees Black Ice air freshener we used in the cutaway shot. It keeps things smelling clean between games. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Develop a repeatable shooting routine that translates to game speed and pressure. Work on form shooting close to the rim, then extend to mid-range and three-point spots while keeping the same release and follow-through. Incorporate contested finishing drills, practicing floaters and reverse layups to handle tight spaces. Add game simulation shots at the end of each drill to reinforce muscle memory under fatigue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.